My name is Brent Vaniga, and I'm coordinator of the Minnetonka Momentum program with Minnetonka Public Schools. And we are an applied learning, kind of an immersion type program in the trades. And one of those programs that we have is automotive career investigations. And so we're here today with several of our students to really see what careers are all entailed at a place like Feldmann. And we're excited to be able to have our students come and see every one of the careers that's out there, from your technicians to your finance folks to your sales folks. The tour's been great. Seeing your new facilities is really quite impressive. I think what's also fascinating to me is what Mercedes and Feldmann is doing for the overall consumer experience, the customer experience, if you will, from the floors to where people would have conversations, and just the overall feel is really important for them to understand the importance of that customer experience and what that entails from service to buying a car here. One of the differentiators that we have at Minnetonka Public Schools is getting members from the community involved in their education, right? We want to have a slice of community involved in our students' education so that they can see what the real world is really all about, right? Getting them out of the four walls of the school building, getting them to a place like this where we can highlight what employees of the future might want to do. And so that's what's really exciting, is when we've got people like James and like Rich and like yourself coming and telling us a little bit more about what their careers are about. It really makes the education real. So we take our content, we add it to what you share here in this community, and it makes it real and relevant. And that's what's really exciting to students like ours and to staff like ours. I just want to say thank you to Feldmann Imports for having us today, and also participating in some of our other programs like our Vantage program as well as our Momentum program, and really getting involved in multiple ways to make these experiences remarkable for students.